going to Cedar Point. We're just going to look at it. So we are at Shoreline Park / Battery Park. I don't know where Shoreline and Battery mix, but this is pretty much the closest you can get to Cedar Point without actually driving down the causeway. You can see the new hill of Dragster. Now it's Top Thrill 2 just across there. I was hoping this looped around, but I guess the boat's got to get out of the harbor somehow. I think it ends right down here, Lincoln. Boys are talking about whether they want to ride Top Thrill 2. Well, Brady's not talking about it.
Yeah, pretty much made up my mind that I'm not going to ride.
Oh, you'll ride it.
Every single ride.
Then why would you stop there?
I've ridden every water slide, the water park, every individual ride that I'm not over the height requirement for.
I made my decision too. I'm not riding it.
It's good.
It's crazy.
It's crazy. It's huge.
I think our road ends up here. Got these fish? Birds? Birds? Yes? Feathers? Boys, you wanna go swimming? We get to it today. I think that's a trampoline. They probably put mulch or something in there in the summer, rocks or maybe nothing. Dedicated in memory of Philip E. Johnson.
Reese, with this furthest one to the right. The thick one.
Oh yeah, yeah.
He was just here a minute ago.
Never be able to see it in the camera, but we see the woodpecker. He's right. Let's see. It's right there. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it translates. You can hear it there.
I only see the squirrel.
There's a classic car enjoying the beautiful weather. Check out the woodpeckers. You ever watch Woody Woodpecker? What? Yeah, I used to watch it every day. This used to be the best restaurant in Sandusky, not Battery Park Marina. There was a Damon's in there. Damon's had the steamboats. Remember the barbecue steamboats? And the onion straws. You could see the lake. It was upstairs. It was my favorite restaurant. It went out of business probably at least a decade ago. Damon's. Man. It closed and then went back in, but then it closed again. Looks like Life Flight. What do you think that's supposed? What's that supposed to be, Brady? So that's what I was thinking. As of this recording, 40 days till Cedar Point opens. 40 days from today.
Yeah. One day till more people are gonna come back.
40 days. As of this recording. You believe that?
Walking to the goose poop.
Did I?
You stepped. Your mom said you stepped on it.
Oh, it won't kill me.
Where's the other bridge?
How's it doing that?
You guys?
How's it? No, it's a statue. So how's
There's
it
another
doing
one.
I don't know.
See the other one? Straight ahead.
Oh, look. Right along the path. There's somebody hanging upside down.
There you go, Brady. You don't need to work out tonight. Work out right here. Pull yourself up. It might be. Bike trail?
All the way to like, up to like, back out.
We need bikes. We all need bikes.
It goes all the way up. This goes all the way up to the top. So the big mountain.
Lincoln. Hey.
Look at the
He said, look, there's a glove here. Look. It's a gorilla's hand. Yeah, gorilla glove. Is it real?
Yep. Should I kick it?
How can, we're not swinging very high.
Daddy's holding a spear right now.
It's here.
Not swinging very high. I'm gonna swing like high in the sky.